Mr. President Barame Tinubu in Senate House presented 58.47 trillion naira as 2026 budget. According to him, he said that the largest part of this money is going into defense, which means they are going to use more than 50% of this money to fight insecurity. All of us know that since Tinubu became president, he has been spending billions in fighting insecurity, yet insecurity refuses to stop. Now, spending money is not the issue. The issue is that this shameless government is the only government that you will see them having negotiation with bandits face to face. Local government chairman and lawmakers having face to face talk with the bandits that kill citizens and kidnap citizens and burn their house. A shameless and wuru government will be having negotiation, face-to-face talk with the same bandits. Only in Nigeria that you will see such a shameless government. So I think, in my own thinking, that this government borrowing this money, they are going to keep some, so that they can use it to be negotiating with bandits and pay them to release those they kidnap. Those that they kill is gone. So this is the kind of government we are learning. So now they are borrowing again 58.47 trillion naira to share among themselves and not to fight insecurity. A legendary. Now, I'm going to bet you by 2026, let's see if insecurity will end. Because this government, I don't trust them. And I know who they are. They are wuru and shameless governments. Are legendary. Now, this is the latest update. They are borrowing again 58.47 trillion naira. Pray for Nigeria.